It was only a few years ago that we broke ground on the initial phase of our campus, allowing for our production, engineering, fulfillment, and support to unite in a dynamic space, fostering collaboration and creativity. Today, we celebrate the groundbreaking of a next phase, bringing the remainder of SICK North America together into a central hub for the US and Canada. Looking ahead, this fantastic building is set to open in late 2025. We can't be more proud and excited for this completion.
Today, I'm thrilled to unveil a vision, a future where technology and innovation come together seamlessly, shaping the landscape of SICK North America. Within our walls of this new campus, a dynamic array of labs will hum with activity. And this new campus will house the brilliant minds that will continue to innovate together with our customers as partners. Our desire for this campus is an irresistible force to gather. Thank you, Marty.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Tim Bussey. I have the honor and the privilege of serving as the mayor of the City of Bloomington, and I am absolutely thrilled to be here this morning to celebrate this groundbreaking for Phase 2 of SICK's North American headquarters. I am so impressed with the work that SICK has done cultivating the relationship not only with the City of Bloomington, but with the state of Minnesota and with their customer base across the world from here in Bloomington. Once again, congratulations to the entire SICK team. So very happy to be here today. So very happy to be part of this groundbreaking and can't wait to be part of the ribbon cutting in the near future. So thank you all so very much for being here.
Today, our operations here is much more than a subsidiary to a German company. We mark this importance with the expansion of our site here. Today, we are breaking the ground for a $60+ million investment in the SICK North America Customer Resource and Training Center. The global SICK organization and network and all our customers around the world are benefiting from the vibrant culture of innovation and entrepreneurship that we experience here in the USA, in Minnesota, here in this location. And I hope you will all come back for the ribbon cutting in 2025. Thank you. And
today, it's a real pleasure for me to be here back again to celebrate with you the next important milestone for our US operations. Sometimes we must react to the changes around us, but it's even more important to drive the changes in our industry. That's why we're here today. The family and the supervisory board, we strongly believe in the importance, opportunities, and the growth the growth potential of the US market. And we have great trust in the whole North American team. We are very proud of the success you have had so far, making it one of our top markets worldwide. Your success laid the foundation for all of this on behalf of the whole SICK family and especially also of my grandmother. I wish to thank the management board and employees here in Bloomington for the great work so far. I wish you a productive and exciting future in these great new facilities. Thank you.